In today's video we're going to find out, are we about to see a major Santa rally all the way back up to the 100,000 US dollars, and are we finally going to see that the altcoins are going to get this major push? Because remember, the biggest marketing of crypto is the price movement, and all the people that are going to talk about their crypto investment at Christmas dinner, this could drive the price of Bitcoin during this Christmas holiday. So if you want to find out if we're going to see a major push towards the upside, you definitely should watch the video until the end, because ultimately we're going to find out what we could expect from this Christmas season and how it was in the previous cycles. But most importantly, we're going to find out, are we about to see this major altcoin season? So we're going to look at all of this important data, but before we do, I want to thank all the new subscribers to my channel, because we have reached this major milestone of 3,000 subscribers, and I appreciate each one of you, and thank you guys, because yes, I started my channel all the way at the bottom, exactly here, after this major FTX crash, so you could have bought exactly here. But if you're not into the crypto market yet, guys, we still have a major push towards the upside, so you definitely need to be subscribed and be for crypto. And if you want to trade all of these moves on the spot market or trade it with a leverage, go over to BloFin, where you receive a major deposit bonus, and during the next 7 days you can also claim your mystery box. I'm just going to show you how you can earn some free cryptocurrencies by signing up with my exclusive link. You will receive a major deposit bonus, and also according to your trading volume you'll get these free airdrops which you can claim daily, where you're going to get some free cryptocurrencies. Like I just got $5 of trading bonus. So ultimately guys, go down in the video description below and sign up to BloFin. And if you want to copy all of my trades, make sure to be in my free signal group, where I post all of my futures trades and you can copy them, and we are reckoning some major profits. We are in this injective trade, in the trade on Solana and also Pepper. So if you're watching this video, you can enter this trade exactly here on Solana, because ultimately guys, I do expect that we're going to get this Christmas and Santa pump for the overall crypto market, especially for Bitcoin, because we can see that the price movement on the daily chart came all the way back down to the 50 moving average. We even saw this dump all the way back down to the 92,500 US dollars. Yes, this is a higher low in comparison to this major liquidation week, so we are still trading within this major sideways consolidation in between the support and also resistance from this major range. And yes, we've talked about this fractal in the previous video, which we saw exactly 1 year ago, where Bitcoin saw the sideways consolidation, this major pump nearly all the way to the 50,000 US dollars, then this major correction, we formed a lower low, and then we saw this major pump towards the upside. And yes guys, this is what we could expect. But ultimately guys, maybe we're just going to form a higher low exactly here and see the price movement continue in this major trend and reclaim the 100 moving average, where we can see a lot of confluence with the 13 moving average on the daily chart, which gives us the indication, if we're above this line, that we could expect that this is going to be a bullish move. But if we see that the price movement consolidates under the 13 moving average, this is considered bearish. And if we're going to go on the 4-hour chart of Bitcoin, we can see a lot of confluence with the 100,000 US dollar mark being the 13 moving average on the daily chart, and we can see the 50, the 100 and also the 200 moving average are all in this major range. So this is going to be the next major level that Bitcoin has to reclaim, so that we can ultimately say that Bitcoin is going to reach a new all-time high. Because if we're going to look at the previous cycles, we can see that after the halvening, which is the green line, we can see that after Christmas, this usually brings the price of Bitcoin to this major parabolic move in the year 2021, exactly here. In the year 2017, we saw this major pump exactly after Christmas, leading to this last parabolic stage. And in the year 2013, we saw the exact same scenario exactly after Christmas. This marked exactly the low from this consolidation period. And yes, we can see that the red line is the Christmas post-market cycle peak. So yes, this is your opportunity to get in exactly here before we're going to start with this parabolic run towards the upside. And yes guys, we've looked at the long-term perspective of Bitcoin. If you've been following my channel, you know exactly that this bull run is going to end round about the levels of October to November 2025, but we're going to realize profits within this major zone. Yes guys, nobody's going to pick the exact top for Bitcoin or some of these altcoins, but it's clear we could expect a major run towards the upside for all these altcoins, because if we're going to look at the previous altcoin season, which started exactly here, we saw this major pump in the Bitcoin dominance all the way to the 72% level, and then we saw this major dump. This means that the altcoins were outperforming Bitcoin, and history doesn't repeat but it rhymes. So we could expect that this is going to mark the exact bottom for all of these altcoins, and you can see that coins like Solana broke out exactly from these levels. This was exactly the bottom from this consolidation period for Solana, which was exactly Q4 2020, so at the end of December, and we started with this major parabolic run. And yes guys, this is what we could expect, because we've looked at the altcoin market cap, and at the moment we have been in this accumulation phase exactly here, and in the previous cycles in the year 2020 this marked exactly the bottom of this consolidation period in Q4 2020, and afterwards we saw that all of these altcoins saw a major push towards the upside. So yes guys, if you missed to buy exactly the bottom during this major accumulation phase, this is going to be your last entry to buy low and sell high before we're going to start with this parabolic run towards the upside, because even in the year 2016, 2017, we saw this consolidation period, and in Q4 2016 we started with this major parabolic run. And remember, history doesn't repeat but it rhymes, and I do expect that all of these altcoins are going to outperform Bitcoin, because this is the chart of the others chart. This means all the cryptocurrencies excluding Bitcoin and also Ethereum priced against Bitcoin, and during the last cycle in January we saw that all the altcoins outperformed Bitcoin by a huge margin. So the moves that we could expect for coins like Solana, guys, they're just going to be breathtaking, and you're not going to catch the bottom. So your accumulation phase would be exactly here where I told you to get in before this major altcoin season is going to start. And yes, we can see on the weekly chart for Solana we have formed this major symmetrical triangle, which is absolutely bullish. We saw this breakout. We didn't reach the price target, which was all the way at the levels of 341, but we can see that the price movement saw this correction. The market got rid of all these weak hands, and we saw this perfect retest of the symmetrical triangle. So this would be a great trade to open exactly here, because first of all we saw the breakout from the symmetrical triangle, we saw the retest exactly at this downward sloping trend. So this is extremely bullish for the price movement of Solana, and I could expect that this is going to be the bottom and only up from here, guys, because overall the time is now to get into the crypto market. If you missed all of this moves towards the upside, because I've been here for the previous 2 years, and once again I want to thank you all for smashing up the like button. And if you're new to this channel, guys, make sure to be subscribed, because ultimately, guys, I do believe that Bitcoin is going to consolidate within this range on the daily chart, and that we could expect the worst case for Bitcoin is going to be a fast move down and a fast recovery. And the bullish case for Bitcoin is that we're going to hold the 50 moving average, form a perfect double bottom, and see this continuation all the way up to the next major resistance and the psychological level, the $100,000, and you once again have the opportunity to buy the lows. So buy here before we could expect this major move towards the upside, which is going to catch a lot of people off guard. You have the opportunity to buy Bitcoin under $100,000, or even Solana under $200. And remember, my price target for Solana is going to be at least the $1,000. But talking about major moves, if you want to be early in a major meme coin where I see a major potential, yes, I've been talking about AS a long time ago, guys, and I've been accumulating exactly in these levels, guys. I'm buying the lows because ultimately we are forming this accumulation zone, and this looks extremely bullish. We can see that the price movement of AS went up 36% in the previous 24 hours. And yes guys, with all this hype and all the people that are going to talk about their crypto investment and their crazy memes, this is one meme where you're extremely early guys. This coin is only at a 1.6 million market cap. And if we're going to break out from this major accumulation zone, we could expect the price moving from the current price all the way to the previous all-time high. This is going to be a move of 1390%. Yes guys, I do believe that this coin has the potential to easily 100x your investment, but keep in mind this is a meme coin. You should only invest a small amount of your portfolio, but ultimately guys, I do believe we could expect this Santa rally, which is going to start exactly now. And once again, I want to thank all my new subscribers who helped me to reach this major milestone of 3,000 subscribers. Thank you guys, I appreciate each one of you. I wish you all a Merry Christmas and be for crypto, and we see each other in the next video.